Right, I've had this battery on charge all night. So if you remember, this is the unused battery, the one I've had in my house for about a year. So we're charging this all night. This is the one I've got hope for, the one I hope is going to carry on working. So what was it like? What was the charge? I think the charge was 10.27 volts, was it, when I checked yesterday? So we'll see what it is now. .94. Okay. I think I'll just, because I've only just unplugged that, I'll probably let it settle for a while anyway and come back and see what it is again in a few minutes. Okay, as soon as, I've got this charge up to 12.78 volts now. I think what I'm going to do, I've had the Optimate on it. I'm going to put my old charger on it for a few hours to see, just to give it a little bit of a boost. The problem with the Optimate is the Optimate's all computer controlled. I'm a bit concerned that this thing's been sat around for over a year now, so what I think I'll do is I'll sort of charge it with my old battery charger I've had for years. Okay, this is a battery I took of the Defender. Although I haven't said that, I'm not too sure, because this is actually quite a low ampage battery for a Defender. Okay, that's really odd, because that's 8.4 volts. However, I checked this just before putting the camera on, well, about an hour ago when this was in the garage, and it was like 0.2 volts. And there you go, it's gone back to 0.7. Bizarre. That definitely said 8 volts on it a minute ago. Okay, so my professional opinion, that battery is dead. See, it's gone up to 8.4 again there, isn't it? I wonder if it's because there's maybe some corrosion or rust on these electrodes, so it's just not getting very good connection. 8.4, 8.4, 8.4, 8.4. Let's move the negative. 0.5, 0.5. See electrolyte on all those cells. Okay, that's supposed to be floating in there, and it's on. I can't see whether that's on amber or whether it's just resting on the bottom. No, it's not moving at all, is it? Let's try one more go. No, it's not moving. So there's no charge in there. Let's try the Optimate on it. Pretty sure the Optimate is going to do its test and it's going to say battery's dead, buy another one. So the little red LED means there's no charge. It's done its test, and that's basically saying it's broken. So I think what I'll do is I'll use my other charger on this and see if I can get, I'll leave it run overnight and see if I can get a charge in. Right, this is my old car battery from my old Mondeo. Check the voltage on this. 9.19 volts. Yeah. Knackered. What I'll do, stick the Optimate on it. See what that says. Yeah, once again, red LED means there's no charge, or minimum charge. Let's see if we can do anything with it. Okay, so what I got here is my endoscope. I'm going to put this in a battery, see if we can see the plates, see if we can see the corrosion on them. Right, so this is pretty cool. This is an endoscope I've attached to my phone. It's got some lights in the end of it, so I don't want to get this in the acid because I know it's waterproof, but I'm pretty sure it's not sulfuric acid proof. If I can just go and have a look. Okay, I can't actually see anything while staring at the camera. I can't actually see anything while staring at my phone here, but I'll see what this comes out like when I upload this into the main video. In fact, I think what I'll do... Okay, so I checked the footage of that end of cam a second ago, and it was pretty good apart from the reflection from the lights, so I'm going to try and bend it around a little bit. Right, it's actually in the acid now. It's not focusing at all. That's a shame. Yes, because it's actually in the liquid, it can't focus. This is off my Land Rover Discovery, which was used every day up until about a month ago, so I know this is flat now, but I'm sure if I just go to charge it'll be fine. I didn't actually buy this battery, so I don't know how old it is. It came with the car, but let's see. .76 volts. Yeah, so if it goes down 1% a day, it's not good to let them go down quite so low. Okay, I think what I might do is get the endoscope out, because see if these plates look any different to the one from my Defender battery, because obviously this battery, even though the voltage has gone down, it's in a lot better condition than the one that's been in the garden for 9 years. So. Right, so let's see what these plates look like then. I can see they look... That's good. Oh, I'm quite impressed with that image. I'm keeping it above, I'm keeping the camera above the electrolyte, so I don't want to submerge it. Because it was having trouble focusing when I did that anyway, but apart from that light in the way there, it's pretty cool. shame it doesn't quite focus when you get it too close, but that's... I'm looking forward to seeing what this looks like on a monitor. Because these plates look a lot better than the ones in a Defender battery. I can't see any oxidation at all. Just go quickly back to the other battery. This is the Defender battery. The hole for the electrolyte is a lot narrower in this battery, which is why I can't get the image quite as good. But so, Defender battery, Disco battery. Me. Okay, so I've gone through all the batteries. The old Defender battery, pretty dead. I don't think there's any chance of restoring this battery whatsoever, but I'll have a go anyway. I'm going to put it on the big charger, my sort of old charger, the one that's not computer controlled. I'm going to put it on there all night. The Discovery battery, plates look good on the inside, electrolyte levels were fine. I'm just going to put that on the Optimate for the night, see what happens. If that doesn't bring back up the full charge, then I'll look and do it something else. The two motorbike batteries, one of them looks good, I'll put that on the Optimate as well. The original one I think is pretty dead, but I'll try and charge it anyway. And what else was there? The Mondale one, once again I'll just stick out on the Optimate and see what happens from there. The one I'm going to really sort of concentrate on is the Defender battery. Not because I think there's any chance of restoring this battery, it's just I just want to try out a few different things to see how they all sort of work. And right, I've got to cut my grass. I hate gardening. I tell you what, you wouldn't believe how much I hate gardening. I just see it's a pointless exercise. You go out there, you cut your grass, and 2 weeks later you got to cut it again. Oh God, it drives me bonkers. Anyway, I digress. So I'm off to. I'm not going to the pub today. Weather wasn't great, so I hadn't planned it. They forecast it was going to be rain all day. I've got no update on Defender. I did plan to finish off the chassis this weekend, however, it absolutely hammered down all day yesterday. I've never seen rain like it yesterday night. A couple of friends of mine were stuck in the pub, apparently. It was so wet they couldn't even get out the pub. Yeah, there's worse places you can get stuck. I did actually buy some more primer, so next weekend, weather permitting, I'll get stuck into that. I'll also carry on playing around with the batteries as well, and I've got another project coming up as well, which is going to involve batteries and solar panels. Right, that's it. I'm going to go and finish the garden, then have a cup of tea, then have a shower, then have a beer. Why not?